got some resin left over. So I've got this mould that's new. I'm going to put some mould release in it. Should be alright because it's one of them really flimsy ones. Oh, don't know why I'm putting that on the floor. And I just dropped it. So, oh, actually, I know what I should have done. What I wanted to do is, looks like a black, I don't know, this is a cheap Chinesey one, or whoever's it is. So I'm just going to put some dollops in. Should be able to see what I've done. I've just put some dots in, look, and then I'm just gonna break up the dots. And hopefully I haven't put too much in. I think I might have put too much in. Maybe it's not going to work as good as I thought. Okay. Okay, so I'll be back once that one's cured. Hiya. Right, oh, hang on, let's have a bit of light on the subject. Sorry, I've turned it all on. Helps if you press the right buttons, Sandra. Right, hiya. This is all nice and dry. Let's have a look, see what it's like. This is a candle mould, I do believe. It's a little llama, look. He's quite cute. I like it. I think that's cute. Got a bit of a funny... Oh no, he hasn't got a bit of a funny looking face. It looks like he's all screwed up with face there. But it's not, it's the colouring. Because of the black inside. I think he's cute. I like him. Yeah. Can't see, I can't see bubbles, but then saying that, I mean, his texture probably is bubbles. He's like, he's got like one black ear, one white ear. I think he's cute. Well, that was just a quickie one. If you like that, please give me a thumbs up, share, leave a comment. Just trying to think what colour eyes I could give him or her. I don't think I can really, because a lot of my felt tips don't really show up very well. Not that but good, but no, I'll leave them as it is. But yeah, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and leave me a comment. See what you think of my little llama. I think he's absolutely adorable. I'll be doing some more of him. See you later. Bye.